Everybody, welcome to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and today's video we're going to be unboxing my April 2020 Allure beauty box. Before we get into that, if you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is niminis.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you are curious. If not, that's okay too. Also, if you like this video while you're watching, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, that like button down below. That helps me out. Also, if you are not already, please hit the subscribe button. That helps me out more than you know. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I love to hear from you all. All right, let's go ahead and get into my Allure box. I'm going to pull the lid off the front here. There is a book inside, and this is what my box looks like this month. So this is the card, or the book, that they actually usually have a book in Allure. It does have a list of all of the products that are included in the box with a description. So we'll be referring to this as I pull the items out of the box. I will be honest, I did take a peek. Before I get into the products, I'm not 100% certain that I'm going to be loving this box. So we'll see. All right, so I'm going to pull out the only makeup item that is in the box this month. Everything else is not makeup. So that's why I'm maybe not the most excited about this box. I do prefer to get more makeup in my box than skincare or hair care or things like that. So this item right here is from Thrive Cosmetics. It's the Lip Filler Lip Liner. It says it's the semi-permanent micropigment technology. So that is interesting and different. I'm gonna give this a try and see. The only other product that I've tried from Thrive Cosmetics, did I say Thrive Market before? Says smile like you mean it. Is their mascara, and I like their mascara. So on the inside it says Carissa's Pro Tip, draw an X on your Cupid's bow to create fuller looking lips. All right, let's get this out of here. All right, does it say the shade? Valicia? Yeah, Valicia pomegranate is what it says. All right, I'm gonna put this on, but I'm also gonna read to you what the card says. So this is the Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Long Wearing Plus Plumping Lip Liner. It says it's either in khaki or Valicia. I got Valicia. I don't know what color khaki is, but that's okay. It says I always carry at least 2 lip liners in my purse. The only time I go without one is when I'm wearing lip gloss or when I've lost my go-to pencil for the 324th time. While most liners can double as lipstick, this one is specifically made to be both. The finish leans more matte, but your lips aren't left dry because the formula is full of moisturizing ingredients, including shea butter, jojoba oil, and meadow foam seed oil. I tried the khaki shade, a taupe color that blends seamlessly under brown lipstick, and Valicia, a bright magenta with Nicki Minaj vibes. Now, both are fixtures in my lip routine from Gabriella Thorne, editorial assistant. The price is $20. You can get it at thrivecosmetics.com, and the promo code is Allure15 at checkout to receive 15% off your purchase. Limit 1 use per customer from April 1st through June 30th. So I do have a mirror here, and I don't have any lip products on. I had one on earlier. It wore off. That is fine. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and then we can see what it looks like. All right, so I did have a little bit of a challenge getting it to stick to my inner, like on the inner portion of my lip. I don't hate the color. I don't hate the color. Let's leave it at that. I will continue to try this out and see what I think of it. Okay, so there's a built-in sharpener. I guess that's probably on the bottom. Yes, it is. So there's a built-in sharpener, so that's nice. Okay. It says it treats, plumps, and smooths your lips. I don't know. All right. So, a lip liner from Thrive Cosmetics. I'm not going to put it back in the box. I was going to put it back in the box, but I'm not going to put it back in the box. All right, let's keep going. The rest of the box is, like I said, not makeup. So there's that. Here is the first item. This is the Flower Bomb by Viktor and Rolf. It is a perfume. I don't normally wear perfumes because oftentimes they will give me headaches. I'm very sensitive to scent, especially perfumes and so forth, so I don't normally wear them. But I've heard wonderful things about this, so I'm just very curious as to what it smells like. It's in a little tiny bottle, by the way. Okay. It smells nice. I might be the only human being that hasn't smelled it yet. It smells nice. I don't know that I would wear it as perfume. I would consider using it maybe as like a bathroom air freshener. This is a very expensive bathroom air freshener. All right, the card says, this is the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. Rolf? I just misted myself in flower bomb before running errands, which in this case meant doing extremely boring things while smelling like a bouquet of roses, jasmine, and orchids. And smelling like an expensive floral arrangement made all the banality a little more enjoyable. When I hit my favorite yoga class at midday, I was delighted to find that the scent's sultrier notes, patchouli, musk, and the sweeter florals, became more intense as the vinyasa flow heated up. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Afterward, I wore the scent straight to have drinks, smelling like a calmed down version of that initial spritz. I keep about 7 different perfumes on rotation, but none of them last as long as Flower Bomb. I now understand why this fragrance has a legion of disciples. From Jessica Chia, contributing editor. So for 1.7 ounces, this is 0.25 ounces. So 1.7 ounces is $115. Yeah, all right. us.victor-rolf.com. You can enter Allure at checkout to receive a Flower Bomb Twist and Spray travel set for, it's a $120 value on orders of $150 or more from April 1st through May 31st. So, all right. That's an expensive bathroom scent. Yeah, okay. Moving on. This says it's from Eva NYC, the Mane Magic Multi-Benefit 10-in-1 Primer. Detangling, frizz fighting, and heat protecting. So it's like a 10-in-1 hair protectant spray. I don't know if that's going to focus. All right. So this is the Eva NYC Mane Magic 10-in-1 Primer. Hairstylists preach that healthy hair and hot tools don't belong in the same sentence, but I refuse to give up heat styling. To minimize damage, I always prep with a heat protectant and a blow drying cream. Then, once my hair is dry, I seal my style with nourishing oils. It's a process, but this spray combines all these steps into one quick spritz. After I shower, I mist the hydrating blend of argan and sunflower seed oils on my damp hair. The detangler saves me from having to comb through stubborn knots, plus the color safe formula shields my hair from thermal and UV damage while also adding shine. From Paige Stable's beauty editor. Price is $12, eva-nyc.com, and enter Eva NYC Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off your purchase from April 1st through May 31st. All right. Just checking on that lipstick, or the lip liner, not lipstick. All right, so the rest of this is all skincare. Yeah, I pulled out the things that aren't skincare. Let's pull these out. What order would I pull them out in? Let's pull out the mask first. I did get a sheet mask in here. It's from Pear. It's the Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. There it is. All right, so this is the Pure Elise Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask, and it looks like you could have gotten one of 2 different masks, this one or the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Sheet Mask. So I got this one. So this sheet mask is soaked in watermelon, aloe vera, and cucumber to help soothe and hydrate skin. I like to apply it at night for 15 minutes, usually while catching up on TV. When I take it off, I pat in the extra serum because these ingredients are too good to waste. I go to bed and wake up looking radiant, glowy, and feeling like my best hydrated self. From Angela Tricocious, assistant beauty editor, $18 for a pack of 6, purelease.com. Enter Allure masks to receive 20% off, full size, full price items only. Excludes the kits, bundles, and samples. Limit 1 use per customer from April 1st through May 31st. Now the other mask, which is the Pure Elise Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Sheet Mask, is $36 for a pack of 6. So that is twice as expensive as the Energizing Sheet Mask. All right. It's a sheet mask. Okay. Let's see. So I got this little item here, which is the Dr. Jart Sica Pear Color Correcting Treatment. You guys can see what that looks like. Come on. It's just a little tub. So before I open this, I'm going to read what it says. This is the Dr. Jart Plus Sica Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. This cream is meant to work as a tinted moisturizer, color corrector, and sunscreen all rolled into one. The namesake ingredient, tiger grass, aka Centella asiatica leaf water, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. In the jar, this cream looks like a mossy clay mask. And this green wonder neutralizes all the issues. Constantly red skin, hormonal acne. I typically turn to foundation to solve. Then the green fades into a beige that blends into my fair complexion. Sometimes I can leave the house wearing just the treatment and a swipe of mascara. From Devin Abelbin, digital beauty editor, and the price, full size price, is $52, and you can buy it at Sephora.com. Ooh, whoops. There's some on the lid. It smells earthy. I don't know if that's right. I'm gonna get a little bit out of the lid. It actually looks a lot like pudding. Not that I would recommend eating it at all, but it looks like pudding. So let's see what it looks like here when blended into my hand. It says it's supposed to go beige. All right, there it goes. It still has a green tint to it though. Sorry, I'm looking in my mirror down here. Can you guys see? I don't know if my lighting is going to work for you, but I can see a very defined line there where I stopped blending it. Yeah. It did turn beige though. But it definitely did not blend into my skin, but I am very, very fair. So, all right, the next item in here, let's see, there's 2 items left. Which one do I want to use first? Let's use the toner first, because that's what I said first. This is from Allure Skin, and it is the Balance Toner. All right, that's a cute little bottle. All right, so this is the Allure Skin Balance Toning Mist. That is not what I got. That's not this. This just says Balance Toner, not Toning Mist. It smells good. Smells good. I don't know. It just says toner on it. The one in the book says toning mist. So I don't know if it's the same thing or if this is different. I don't know. I think this is different. So this says the Allure Skin Balance Toning Mist. In the past, the idea of adding toner to my skincare routine made me cringe. The alcohol-based formulas I used as a teen stripped my poor hormonal skin, leaving both physical and emotional scars. But Allure Balance Toning Mist is not the toner of my adolescence. It's made with soothing floral waters from rose and neroli and oil-wicking white willow bark extract. After washing my face, I spritz on the mist 3 to 4 times before continuing the rest of my 7-step regimen. In the short term, the mist gives my combination skin a quick dose of hydration. In the long term, it's slowly controlling my oil production thanks to the white willow bark. From Sarah Kinnunen, Associate Digital Beauty Editor, the full price is $55. AllureSkin.com. Enter Allure 2020 at checkout to receive 10% off your purchase from April 1st through May 31st. I just don't know that this is the same product, because this says you know what, let me look it up. Okay, so on their website, it does say the Balance Toner, but the picture calls it the Toning Mist. So it is actually, it looks like it's the same thing. I don't know that it's going to focus enough for you to see the actual bottle. The picture keeps changing. But in the description, it says toning, it just says toner, and on the bottle, again, I don't know that you guys can actually see that, but it does say toning mist on the bottle. So that's odd. Okie dokie. It smells like roses though, so it smells nice. Okie dokie. The last item in here in the box is from Allure. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This one actually is not a spray either. It's a pump. It's more viscous than I thought it was going to be. Anyway, this is the Allure by Jean Seo, I don't know. Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. So that is that. So this is the Louis, I don't know, by Jean Seo Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. Made with hyaluronic acid and potassium sorbate, this gel-like serum is perfect for my oily skin. When I use it in the morning, it doesn't make me look as if I've dunked my head in a vat of oil like heavier serums I've tried. There you go. And I can use it at night knowing I won't wake up to new blemishes. In fact, after a few uses, I noticed that the hormonal pimples I've been fighting for weeks had decreased in size and redness. But most impressive is how much moisture you get with something that goes on so lightly. From Audrey Noble, Beauty Reporter, price is $15 for, it's actually 1 fluid ounce, at Loose Skin. Sounds terrible. Loose Skin. Promo code Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your purchase from April 1st through May 31st. So that is my Allure box for April 2020. Let's go back through it. I got the Pure Lisse mask, the Sica Pear color correcting treatment, the Akar balance toner, the Allure balance hydrating and calming serum, the Eva NYC Mane Magic hair conditioner spray, the lip filler lip liner. That's fine. My lips are feeling a little dry, but they were feeling dry before I put it on, to be fair. And then the most expensive bathroom scent that I will probably ever have. I'm joking. I'm not going to put it in the bathroom. I think I'm funny. Anyway, that is it for my Allure April 2020 box. This is not my favorite Allure box. I'm not going to lie. It's not my favorite. I don't prefer to get boxes heavy in skincare. I do prefer a balance. Like I like to have a balance. So if it was like, there's 6 products in here, even if it was like 2 makeup and 4 skincare, I'd be happier than what I am with 5 and 1. If that makes sense. So anyway, that's just my own opinion. I know some people really enjoy skincare boxes or really enjoy getting these types of samples to try out new things. I have a pretty standard skincare routine that I pretty much follow whenever I do my skincare. So I do every once in a while pull a new product in and try it, but I usually end up falling back to my old standards, with the exception of my cleanser and my moisturizer. Those 2 I will rotate, but like my toner, well, I shouldn't say that. I do pull in other things as well, so maybe I'm just full of it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I really do appreciate it. Anyway, I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!